Excuse me, may I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Just a little tired.
By the way, where is the nearest bus stop?
Oh, it's just around the corner. Let me show you.
That's very kind of you.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
So, what do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher, and you?
Wow, that's wonderful. I work as a software engineer.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Oh, that's a beautiful place.
Yeah, I love traveling too.
Me too. What's your favorite destination?
Japan. The food is amazing. My favorite is sushi.
Yum. I love sushi too.
By the way, I've been learning English for a year.
That's impressive. Keep going. You're doing really well.
Thank you. I feel proud of myself sometimes.
You should be. Great job.
I'm so grateful for your support.
You're welcome. I'm always here for you.
Talking about yourself.
I'm from London.
Oh, that's a beautiful place. I've always wanted to visit.
Yes, it's nice, but also rainy most of the time.
Oof, I can imagine carrying an umbrella every day.
I have two siblings.
Oh, really? Nice. Are you the oldest?
Nope, I'm the middle one. Sometimes it's hard being in the middle.
I know what you mean.
I love traveling.
Me too. What's your favorite destination?
Maybe Italy. The food, the places. Oh, I just love it.
Pizza and pasta. Oof, now I'm hungry.
I enjoy reading books.
That's great. What's your favorite book?
I really liked Pride and Prejudice.
Ooh, classic. Maybe one day you can lend it to me.
Sure, why not? I work as a teacher.
That's a wonderful job. Must be a little tiring though.
Yes, sometimes. But the kids make me laugh, so it's worth it.
That sounds sweet.
I've been learning English for a year.
Really? That's impressive. Keep going.
Thank you. Sometimes it feels hard, but I enjoy it.
You're doing great.
My favorite food is sushi.
Oh, yum. I love sushi too.
But it's expensive here.
True. But totally worth it.
I like playing soccer.
Awesome. Do you play for a team?
No, just with friends on weekends.
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll join one day.
I speak two languages.
Wow, that's amazing. What are they?
English and Spanish.
I wish I could speak Spanish. Teach me sometime?
Sure, why not? I'm married.
That's nice. How long have you been married?
Almost 3 years now.
Oh, that's beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Basic conversations.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner. Let me show you.
I don't understand.
No problem. I can explain it again.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure, here it is again.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer. What about you?
I'm a student, still learning.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
No worries. I just got here too.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course. What's your question?
I would like to order a coffee.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hee hee, hot please. Iced makes me shiver. Ugh.
Haha, same here.
What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
Oh, good. I still have time then. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Sure, I'll slow down.
Thank you. What's your favorite hobby? I love painting. How about you?
I like dancing.
Oh, nice. Maybe you can teach me sometime.
I'm learning English.
That's great. Keep practicing and you'll improve quickly.
I hope so. It's not easy.
But you're doing really well.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yes, let's do it.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day.
See you again soon.
Yes, see you next time.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Feelings and emotions.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm happy. And you?
I'm a little tired.
Oh, why?
I worked a lot today.
I understand. Take a rest.
I'm really excited about the weekend.
Oh, exciting. What will you do?
I'll go hiking.
Wow, that's great. I love hiking too.
I feel a little nervous about tomorrow.
Oh, don't worry. You'll do fine.
I hope so.
I'm sure you will.
That was so funny yesterday.
Oh, yes. I couldn't stop laughing too.
I was really sad earlier.
Oh, what happened?
Uh, just a small problem.
It's okay. Things get better.
I feel proud of myself today.
Oh, that's great. Good job.
I'm so thankful for your help.
You're welcome. I'm always here.
Oh, today was full of feelings.
Ah, yes. That's life. Making requests.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I can't open this jar.
Let me try. Got it.
Oh, thank you. You're strong.
Haha, no problem.
Could you write this down for me?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. You always help me.
Anytime.
I didn't mean to bother you.
Oh, you're not bothering me at all.
Oh, I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Can you explain this again?
Sure. Let me break it down for you.
I understand now.
Good. I'm glad it helped.
I'll do my best next time.
You're doing great already.
Thanks. You always support me.
Anytime. That's what friends are for. Talking about yourself.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from London.
Ah, that's a beautiful place. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Nice. Are you the oldest?
No, I'm the youngest.